Welcome back to TV5 News at 9. It is time now for Legally Speaking with attorney Carol Thomas. Thank you so much for joining us this morning, Carol.
Thank you. It's wonderful to be here.
It's always good to see you, Carol. So tell us, Attorney Thomas, tell us about your role as an elder law attorney in the community and what you do.
Well, I always love the question. As an elder law attorney, I look at my role as helping people make decisions later in life. One way I do that is certainly with appointments one-on-one, but my favorite, Colette, is presenting seminars in the community. I've been doing it for over 20 years, and I love teaching people what they need to know. The topic of elder law, as far as protecting assets if you're in a nursing home, do you need a will, do you need a trust? That's not something that you just automatically know. You need to learn, and that's where I love doing these seminars. And I actually have my next one coming up next Wednesday, January 20th. It's in Bay City at the DoubleTree, and I have 2 sessions, 10 and 5, and I'm really looking forward to presenting those.
And I love the DoubleTree in Bay City. That's a great venue. Tell us, Attorney Thomas, what's changed? You know, we're in the middle of this pandemic since it started back in March. So how has a pandemic really impacted your seminars?
Well, it's had a huge impact because before they certainly filled the capacity and we could have lots of cookies and refreshments and we could take as many people as wanted to come. But now we're very limited with the number of people that can attend. And actually next week we're not even able to serve refreshments. We will be passing out cookies at the end that they can take home, but we have to follow the governor's guidelines. So it's a different environment, but the information is still the same. And when people do come to the seminars, they're very happy with what they've learned. And I do more seminars because they say, I want our friends to come. We had no idea how informative that the seminars are.
You know, Attorney Thomas, your seminars fill up so quickly. I mean, they fill right up. Tell us, why do you think that is?
Well, I actually used to think it was because of the cookies, but now that we can't serve cookies, I'm thinking that's not it. I really believe it's the information. And to anyone that is really over the age of 50, they need to know about this. Now, I know 50s and 60s, you still feel young, hopefully, but if there is suddenly a nursing home situation and you're not prepared, you can lose your life savings. And people don't understand the wonderful things we can do in the state of Michigan to protect assets, and that's why I love doing these seminars. I look at them as a community service. I want people to learn, and then they can make the decision. Is this something that they want to go forward and plan for it, or it's something they may want to wait? It's kind of funny, Colette. I have so many people coming to me now saying, well, I came to your seminar 10 years ago, and I really wasn't worried, but now I'm concerned. So it's the same seminar. I've presented it the same way for 20 years.
Yeah, Attorney Thomas, what do you think that some of the main mistakes that people make if they have not attended one of your seminars?
The number one mistake is that people think they may lose their assets. You don't know how many people I've helped where a husband's already been in a nursing home and the wife is spending $10,000 a month not knowing that I can get that protected. So again, it's just a lack of knowledge, and that's why I love doing these seminars. It's non-threatening to the individuals that come. They just sit back and I teach them what they need to know, and then it's up to them whether they go forward or not.
Attorney Thomas, is there anything else you'd like to add?
No, but I just encourage people. We're actually almost full for next week, so if people do want to come, I encourage that they call today, and I believe my phone number's on the screen. So, and we'll be having future seminars back in Saginaw, but I do encourage people to call if they'd like to come.
Okay, so they fill up quickly. Make sure that you call. Thank you for calling in today, Attorney Thomas. We appreciate it.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. And again, at home, if you want any more information about this, head on over to our hot link section. That's at WNEM.com.